Money plants, also known as Epiphyllum aureum, has several medicinal and health benefits beyond its aesthetic appeal. It can act as an air purifier, removing toxins and pollutants from indoor air.
Money plants can successfully eliminate pollutants like formaldehyde, xylene, and benzene from the air.
Advantages of money plant. 1. It's low maintenance, it's air purifying, it cleans aquarium water, it reduces anxiety and stress, it improves vascular, brings prosperity to the household, and it's anti-radiated, cheap and cheerful.
Hello everyone, my name is Shazia from grade 7 and we are part of the gardening club. Today we have grown these money plants and we have grown them in water instead of soil.
Hello, I am Adrian from grade 7 and I am part of gardening club and I have my money plant with me which I have grown in water and we can also grow it in soil and it's really successful. Hello, I am Auras Medina from grade 7. I am part of gardening club. First we have planted money plant. It has grown well. It can grow in soil and water and I have grown it in water. Thank you.